Hello friends, you are watching ERUDIRE Plus, the professional CAD/CAM solution provider. This channel provides basics of finite element analysis and computer-aided mechanical engineering design and analysis using CAD-related software. Let's get started.
Today I'll show a very simple SolidWorks tutorial for the beginners. This will be tutorial number 4. So what we are planning to show, it is like that only. This is a very simple model. We have to change this text several times for modeling this object. Okay, let's get started. So better to model this one from the top plane, and we have to draw a rectangle of 96 by 64. Then right side we have to make a slot. Okay, we're starting 96 by 64, one rectangle is equal to draw from top plane, right? Starting from part, we should start drawing from top plane. Normal to, first of all we have to sketch a rectangle. Okay, any rectangle you have drawn, and smart dimension should be, you can see the dimension how much it was, 96 versus 64. Okay, 96 by 64 dimension gets provide 96 by this one should be 64. At the same time, here some kind of slot should be there, rectangle, and at the end of the rectangle some slot should be there. Let's provide that one without any dimension. And at the end of this rectangle, some take the semicircle, start from here. Okay, done. Now let's take the dimension of this thing. It is from the front side 24 and length will be 20. It is 20 by 16, 20 by 16. It's 20 by 16. Let's provide smart dimension. It's 20 by 16. It will be take the length of this and that to be 16, and from this point it should be 24, I think, right? Let's see, it's 24. This point to that point distance will be 24. Okay, now these are unwanted actually. This, to make a slot, these things to be trimmed out. So trim entities. Done. This is a complete object, right? Now see anything else is required or not. This bottom part is made. Okay, and this part we can extrude right now, right? And extrude thickness should be 16 mm. Exit from the sketch, select the sketch, features, extrude boss base, it will be 16 mm, right? 16 mm. Done, complete, right? So clean check, this drawing is complete, base plate is complete almost. Now again what we do, again here also we can make a rectangle, and with that can be extruded up to height. We can have to measure this one, because from here to here is 30 and 34, 64. 64 minus 16, that is equal to 48. So from this plane you have to move 48 off. Extrusion length will be 48, and you have to make a rectangle of 16 by 64. 16 by 64 to make a rectangle, right? First making step, making a rectangle. Better to take the plane, then we can draw it. Better to plane, normal to rectangle, right? It will be 16 by 64. The dimension can be given as, this is 16 and this must be 64. Okay, done. is complete. So exit from the sketch, and that to be extruded 48mm, right? Features extrude both ways. To see the direction, it will be 48mm. Okay, done. Next first, little bit of cut is required. You see the drawing. So here some triangular portion, we have to cut it out. So what we have to do? We have to select this plane, and in that plane you have to cut this part. Okay. It will be 20 by, it will come down how much? 20 by 20, 34, no? 34. Okay, that dimension you can give later on. Cut it out one portion. So select the plane, normal to cut one portion. Sketch lines, you can make these lines. Anything you can join. Okay, now let's provide the dimension to that one. Dimension from top, it will be how much? To 20, and from top to bottom it will be 30, right? It is 30. It is 20 horizontal and vertical is 30. 20 by 30 is by dimension. 20 and vertical will be 30. Done. Drawing is complete. Green check. Exit from the sketch. Select the sketch and features extrude cut. Okay, done. Okay, fine. What is remaining? This sketch you can make it hidden. Okay, that will be better to make it hidden. Fine. Sketch should be hidden, right? Hidden. Okay, now we have to show the back part. Back part something to draw here. Okay, so if we move back side, we have to make again 40 length by 28 down. Okay, so to start from here, see, take the plane normal to here to make a rectangle. Before that, we can make one central line, because with respect to the central line, this should be symmetric. We'll make the center line at any location. We don't want any specific location. Center line at any location. Then one rectangle. With respect to the rectangle, with respect to the center line, the rectangle vertical lines will be symmetric. So we'll take the these vertical lines, control the center line and the other vertical line, and the relation will be symmetric. Okay, and this distance we can provide is 40 mm. Okay, and this one equal to 28. Okay, let's see the drawing again. Yeah, it is 28 from base. From base it's 28. Okay, fine. It's again 28, and here also inside we have to provide one semicircular portion to be cut out of diameter 24. From here, one semicircular portion of diameter 24 to be cut out. And radius of this one will be 12. And this part need to be trimmed out. Okay, now drawing is complete. So green check and exit from the sketch. Next, you have to select the sketch and that we extruded. Features extrude boss base. That to be extruded backside, so reverse rejection, and also extrusion depth required equal to, you can see extrusion depth equal to 64 minus 22 equal to 42. Depth equal to 42. Done. The model is almost ready. Very little is remaining. Here we have to make one slope. Right. Let's see the drawing. I want to make a slope from here. So what to do, I have to take that plane and draw one triangular shape, and that to be extruded backside with the extrusion length of 12 mm. Okay, let's do it. Take this plane, normal to draw a triangle, sketch, lines are equal. Let's see the drawing, it will be up to the end. Okay, this close drawing is complete. So exit from the sketch and features, select the sketch, features, extrude bossways. It should be extruded in the reverse direction with an extrusion length of equal to 16 mm. I think. Let's see the extrusion length equal to 12 mm, right? Okay, goes to 12 mm. Done. So green check, our drawing is complete, right? And this part sketch also, this sketch also we can make it hidden. Okay, fine. Make the sketch hidden. Fine. So this is the model. It's a very simple model, but here we learned a little bit of like changing different planes at different times, right? By the same time, changing planes and extrusion. At the same time, we learned extrude card also, extrude bossways also. Okay, fine. Now to have a better view, we can do one thing. We can change the appearance of this one with a metallic color, right? See this one. In actual drawings, it looks like. Let's see the drawing. Actual drawing, it looks like not copper. It looks like copper. So we'll provide copper material to this one. Okay. So let's take the appearance as metallic appearance. Then takes copper. Take polished copper. Apply on the part. Okay, this is complete drawing. Now another thing can be done to have a better view. The background can be a little bit changed. Okay, let's make it frame white. Perfect. So it's drawing very. It is looking very nice, right? This is our model. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe and share. And if you have any kind of doubts, please write to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you again. Okay, bye.